The United States government highly recommends you to listen to this broadcast, and known humanoid entities are spawning in the area where this is being broadcasted. Stop what you are doing and listen to this immediately. These entities have a very similar resemblance to human beings. The only difference is they have impossible eye features and almost always have white shirts. Here is a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, these people are very similar to each other. These entities are a class 5 in the danger scale. We thank you for listening.